Hey guys, I'm here in my studio and I want to address the problems that those of you who can't hear me are having, okay? I'm going to put this on a transcript so you can read what I'm writing, but if you cannot hear my video, there are a few things that I know you can do, and I have 3 videos underneath in the description box that might help you fix your problem. The first thing is you should look at your app, your Roku app or your FIRESTICK app, and make sure it's updated, because if it's not updated, that could be your problem right there. Go ahead and push on the update and that should fix it. Secondly, if that doesn't fix it, unplug your TV for 60 seconds to give it a hard reset. Plug it back in and see if that works. Thirdly, they say to uninstall the YouTube app and then reinstall the YouTube app again and see if that works. So there are 3 things right there, but go ahead and look at those videos and try these easy steps and see if it fixes it. I know that the sound problem is not on my side because some people are hearing it, which means it's out there, and there's something that's blocking the receiver from YouTube and your TV from getting that together. So try those 3 things. Go into my description box where it says more, go in there and check out those videos and try the things I said, and hopefully that's going to resolve your problems. Okay, bye.